Everyone, welcome back. Is the UBS Mobile Banking update stuck on waiting, failing to download, or not showing in the App Store? Running an old version causes login errors and security warnings. Here's how to force the update through. Open your App Store and then tap on your profile picture icon in the top right corner. Scroll down past your account details and pull down on the screen to force a fresh refresh of the update list. Look for UBS Mobile Banking in the list and tap Update if it appears. If the update is stuck on waiting or the progress bar is frozen, go to your home screen, tap and hold the UBS icon and tap Pause to download. Then tap it again and then tap Resume download. This kickstarts a frozen download every time. If the update keeps failing yet, check your storage. Go to your settings and then go to General. Next, go to iPhone storage. Make sure you have at least 1 GB free. Updates fail silently when storage is too low. Free up space by offloading unused app and then retry the update. Also try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data in the settings and update again. The App Store sometimes connects faster on cellular. So all you gotta do is go to the App Store, pull to refresh, pause and resume if stuck, free storage in settings, try mobile data, UBS update will be completed, and that's it. Subscribe for more banking fixes.